Welcome to section number 2, an overview of separation process technologies. Now it's time to actually study operation technologies, separation versus mass transfer, and start understanding where does this come from. We're going to start with a little bit on history, on what we have been doing as human race with separations. Why did we even start to separate materials? Examples are gold, maybe silver, production of copper, separation of salt from sea salt, and so on. Then we get to more technical terms such as the energy separating agents and the material or mass separating agents. What are the main differences between each other and why do they appear the most in this type of processes? Also, we're going to start understanding the type of classification or categories that you might encounter in mass transfer operations, either by the type of method, what do they use for separation, or maybe you're focused into the actual phases involved in these type of processes. So there are many ways in which we could separate them or organize them or make a category of the processes, and I'm going to explain you the one that I decided to choose for this course. Afterwards, we get into more technical details on the so-called equilibrium-based versus the rate-based operations. We're going to understand that some cases we focus our attention into the actual equilibrium as the main focus of our unit operation design, and some cases we're going to focus the most into actual flow rates or rate of production. Okay, so that's what section 2 is all about, overall understanding of mass transfer operations, and I'll see you in the following lectures regarding the history of mass transfer.